Hey everyone, welcome to the Experimental Aircraft channel. I'm Brian. Recently I was in Deland, Florida, and I met up with a company by the name of Agan Aircraft. And they are from Russia, and they have plans to move to Florida and start building aircraft. That interview coming up right now. Okay, so something just a little bit different today. I'm in Deland, Florida, and I met up with another company that's visiting the US here in Florida, a company called Agan Aircraft out of Moscow, Russia.
Yes.
And they have the intentions of moving to the US, and specifically Florida, to come here and start producing several different designs of aircraft, be it ultralight, experimental, possibly light sport. And we just had a really good conversation today, and I just want to share with you all that this may be another option for you moving forward in the next year or coming years. So Russia is coming to America with aircraft. So I'd like to introduce the head of the company, Agan Aircraft, of Arsen. Arsen, if you could introduce yourself and maybe how you got into aviation and a little bit about your company.
Thank you. Yes. Hello, friends. We start our aviation life with Alex maybe 15 years ago with hang gliding pilots. Where we'll be hang gliding,
okay,
and we fly in thermals, to serve the thermals, to clouds. And after this, we built some small models in the university. We
scale models,
yes,
or scale models.
Scale model with radio control.
Okay.
Airplanes. We left airplanes with Alex, and we go to teach in Moscow Aviation Institute, who teach university. Yes, and after this we like to open engineering company because we have potential for this, and we have experiments.
Okay.
In the aviation club team who we have in school and university. And after this we open the company, put our names, Agan Aircraft, its names, my name and Alex's name.
Okay. So the name of the company is based on your initials of your name.
Yes.
It was pretty unique.
Yeah. Yes, and we start to do production in Russian. And we feel the Russian doesn't interesting the aviation because government not good rules for people. Yeah. And when we come with Alex to the America first time, we say, "Wow, I don't believe it.
It's incredible.
It's incredible. I don't believe it. A lot of airplanes, aerodromes, people fly. Okay, you may go this aerodrome, take the water, no problem. In Russian, it's not possible, really.
Yeah.
And now, and when after 3 years later, when we come first time in the United States, we know that we fix how to transport our business, transfer our business to United States.
Okay.
Because
You're very enthusiastic about aviation, passion,
yes.
And Russia doesn't share your passion for aviation.
Yes, doesn't interesting.
Okay.
Yes, because we like aviation.
Yeah.
We not take our business for money. We take our business for building aircraft. First of all, be building aircraft after money. Mm-hmm. This is our.
Your culture.
Yes,
your
our culture. Yes,
yeah,
our culture. And we like to show American people what we may do.
Okay.
Not in the words, in the airplanes, in the real fly airplanes.
Okay. So just to give a quick example, sample of what you have done, you name off a few of the aircrafts that you have built, and from what I understand, you started this off never as production, but more like a one-off prototypes for other companies. You mentioned to me earlier that companies would come to you and say, "Hey, I'd like an aircraft that kind of looks like this, that meets this speed and this certain numbers," and you're like, "Sure, let's build this together." So it's been a lot of just one-off prototypes.
Yes.
And that's your capability, but you also want to get into some type of production.
Yes.
So what are the couple production models that you would like to see? Well, first off, what have you done?
Yes.
As a few, maybe 5 examples of what you've done.
Yes. We start from building the kits.
Okay.
Some people from Russian give our company kits, and we build, test fly, painting, install avionics.
What we would call over here like a builder assist program.
Yes.
Okay.
After this, we think with Alexei, why we not build our airplanes ourselves?
Our design.
Our design, and we try. We do some. We take some team, some designers, and some mechanics who work in our company. And about our product, first of all, we do the airplanes, high wing airplane to place like Aeropract, like CH750,
Okay.
like this one. We do for training, only for training how we may build. We take something from this, okay, we see. After this, we step by step, we go more. One customer ordered from us a helicopter project to total new design of the airframe.
It's a pretty big step from a fixed wing kit to a
after
one-off helicopter design.
Yes, but customer they trust us. Say, okay, I see your production. You may do this. Okay, I give you money, and we do this helicopter. But this helicopter is based our gearbox and blades Sikorsky.
Okay.
And
a really well-known platform.
Yes. The vertical aviation in Orlando, they sell the kits of these helicopters.
Okay.
And but we do in our airframe. We only use the gearbox and blades.
I see.
And we go to Dubai exhibition air show, and now the Emirates and Saudi interesting this project to put in mass production in Arabic region. Okay. This helicopter. And after this we have a very interesting project, Bush airplane to fly, background fly.
Okay.
Yes, and this is very interesting because it have the slots, automatic slots, work of the angle of attack, not by electricity.
Automatic. Yeah.
Automatic, yes, aerodynamic work. And
is this a side-by-side or a tandem?
It's tandem.
Tandem configuration.
It's tandem configuration, and the difference about in our aircraft, the airframe total aluminum.
100%.
100% aluminum,
not
welding,
steel and composite and fabric and wood. And
only engine frame. And
only engine frame.
Right. Okay. Well, that would be unique for sure.
Yes, we like this. And the powerful. It's 200 horsepower in stock.
Okay.
Yes,
by UL power.
Yeah, UL power engine. It's experimental, but we hope the American people say it's good airplane. We like to show this airplane, and we like to see what American people say about this airplane.
If you are finding value in this video, hit the like button and remember to subscribe, as it's really important for me to get sponsors like Airworx, Aero Adventure, WingBug, Griplock Ties, and new this month, Edge Performance. And right now, Griplock Ties has a special offer for USA customers. Go to their website and at checkout, get free shipping. Enter the code EXPERIMENTAL. Let's jump back in. Arsen, if you could introduce your team and a little bit of what they each do in your company.
Okay, first of all, Alex, it's not my employees, it's my partners. Alex and Sergey. We built the company together.
So because Alex and Sergey.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Alex is a main designer, main engineer in the company. He has do the sketches, drawings, control the employers who work in office in engineering center.
Okay. And how do those start off? Obviously, they come from your head first, and then is this pencil to napkin to paper to what's kind of your process?
This process begins from the paper, from the drawing by the hand.
Rough sketch.
Yes, sketch. Yeah. And then we think together how we do this,
Mhm.
and then we make CAD model
Okay.
of aircraft.
An AutoCAD model, right?
Yes, we decide some analysis of this CAD model.
Within the
for
software, or
software is CATIA. It's a French CAD program.
okay, yeah, it's pretty,
Yes, and
pretty popular in manufacturing.
then we cutting all parts on the CNC machines.
So even the prototypes,
Bending, yes.
even the prototypes are from CNC.
Yes,
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
bending and then assemble all parts together, and we we have an aircraft.
Okay.
Sorry, I do very important things about Alex. Alex, he drawing airplane and after he test fly.
Mm.
Yes.
This engineer who,
It's a
who
finish-
made
You're the test pilot.
it's option of our company. Yes, the engineer may fly
Ah.
what he built.
From the first
no?
step to the end
To-
step,
and
Okay.
finish step.
Yes.
So you better believe in your engineering
Yes,
capabilities.
yes, yes, yes.
Okay,
It's
that's-
more
that's-
important. It's more
that's
important.
really important.
It's like Boeing. He fly.
Maybe.
He really built airplanes and fly this airplane.
Yeah, so you wear many hats.
Yes.
Yeah. From artist to engineer to test
Yes,
pilot.
artists
Yes.
to
Yeah.
test pilots.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Good to know.
Sergey, it's avionics. Yes. He do.
He's the man that looks for the smoke.
Yes. But our company doesn't have smoke.
It's not my flavor.
He is a product. He have a little team in our company,
Okay.
engineers, the programs. We do the software, hardware, and installation and wiring, all
All of it.
completely. Yes,
Okay.
and explain, please, about you.
My English is not good.
My Russian is horrible, so this is going to work out
Yes.
great.
Okay, I explain that, Sergey. We work together 7 years, and he is my student.
Okay.
He go to our company to teach fly. I teach fly
On hang glider.
on Highlander. After this, I see he have a business in Moscow about wirings, and I say, okay, maybe we do the avionics together. He say, oh, it's a good idea. I like aviation.
Mm.
And we do the avionics, we do the good design of the avionics like Tesla.
The panel
Yes,
design.
the panel design like
Okay.
Tesla in helicopter. And after this, we go to United States. Sergey see the all facilities of your country, and he say, why we not here?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah,
and yes, and we like to do avionics job here too. Start from experimental, start maybe from assemble some experimental panels for some customers.
Okay.
Yes, and
So you want to get involved in pretty much every aspect of aircraft construction.
Yes, yes,
At
yes.
some point.
yes.
Yeah. Okay. All right. So what is the plan? Because you've shared that you do want to come to the U.S. and start a business here, or move your business here. So what is the plan moving forward? What does that look like for you guys?
The first of all, we like to rent a hangar to do some to open company, collaboration with some people who have license, who do the jobs, who do the some works. We start from install avionics, maybe restoration aircraft,
Okay.
like this, and step by step, we like to produce in this year ultralight kit.
An ultralight kit. Okay.
Aircraft, it's full aluminum airframe.
Everything's aluminum.
Anything.
Yes. Everything you work with is aluminum.
Yes.
Okay.
We need to test about the weight.
Mm-hmm.
We do the one prototype test, do the video, test exactly weight to ultralight
Okay.
to fly legal. And after this, we plan to build a prototype of the Bush 505 Starlifter. This name.
505 Starlifter.
Yes.
Yes, yes.
That's a pretty cool name.
Yes, yes, and this is a really good airplane because it's big, big engine, it's big wing and high speed. It's between 35 miles, 35 miles, between 165 miles.
That's a pretty good, pretty good range.
Because the slots,
Okay.
and flaps Fowler flaps.
Flaps.
Yes, like a Boeing 747.
With deflector.
With
Okay.
deflector, yes.
Interesting.
Yes, it's very interesting airplane, and now this airplane is already in production.
Is it?
It's now in the paper, in the production already.
Okay.
And we test the wing and the video. We showed you a video about how the slots work.
Yeah, they've got this contraption mounted to the front of a car that they're tilting
Yes,
and having the
angle.
air go over the leading edge to test this flap. So it's a real world testing
Yes.
on the ground before you get into
Yes, of course.
before you get into the air. and
Yes,
start
yes,
testing
yes,
it.
yes,
Yeah.
yes. After this, we like to production first kit, first aluminium kit in the world of 4-place aircraft like Cessna 182.
Okay.
Yes, and
And that's this year.
yes, this year
An
big-
ultralight and a STOL and a 4-seater.
Yes,
The STOL's
yes.
going to be a 2-seat tandem.
stall, yes,
Two-seat tandem.
two-seat tandem.
Okay.
Because for high speed, you need tandem model.
Okay.
And in plan, in our plan in future, we would like to build a high-speed aircraft, 4-place with big luggage. Maybe the speed, I think, is 375 miles per hour,
Wow.
600 kilometers, with swept wing.
Okay.
Swept
This is a
wing.
low wing configuration.
Low
then.
wing, yes.
Yes, low wing configuration, swept, de-icing system, parachute system, and
Of course, retractable gear.
of course, yes,
Yes.
retractable gear,
Okay, okay.
and the winglets work like this, like a Boeing 777.
But it
X-
is
X.
not like Boeing for the fixed width. It's we think about aerodynamic, low drag
Coefficient.
coefficient because on the low speed we retract this
The winglets.
winglets,
yeah.
yes, and on the high speed we
Put vertical
lift
okay.
up, yes, and
and square of the wing small and high speed
Oh, interesting.
and more stable.
Well, it's already swept
More
back,
stability,
and then
yes,
you're
yes.
causing the winglets to maybe sweep more or something.
Yes,
Yeah.
we test this, of course,
yes, we
because it's not an airplane for 1 year, it's an airplane maybe for 3 years.
Further down the road.
Yes, yeah, for the future. Yes.
Interesting
Future.
concepts. And,
Yes.
we'll share some of those photos here on the
Yes, of course.
Yeah.
And more interesting concept, one more, it's a fighter training.
That's right. Yeah, that was really
Yes,
that was
it's really interesting. Yes,
Yeah.
it's really interesting. Yes.
Yeah.
And it is 3-4 years we may build this prototype.
Well, excellent, excellent. So, I just want to give you a quick introduction to Agan Aircraft, which is currently based in Moscow, Russia. They have big intentions, big plans of coming here and getting into our world because Russia doesn't share the same passion apparently for building experimental light sport ultralight aircraft. So in the very near future, we may see them here in the United States and in Florida. So right now, if they wanted to kind of follow along as you progress through what you're doing now and get to know your company, what are some good platforms they can go to, whether it's on Facebook or whatnot?
Instagram and website. We have.
Instagram and website.
Yes.
And I'll put those links in the description below if you want to be able to click on those to follow these guys.
Thank you.
So, okay. Well, thanks for taking the time to sit with me and talk about
Yes.
your company and get to know you guys a little bit. And there's people all across the world share our passion for aviation. I think it's really amazing that I've discussed this before that we can make fast friends in aviation, but it's almost like we have family across the whole world because we do share this thing we call aviation as a passion. So thanks for taking the time to watch this episode. If you'd like to get more information about Agan Aircraft, check the link in the description below, as well as all of our channel sponsors. Take a look at their links, take a look at their websites. They are what make this channel possible and for me to be able to keep making content for you. Guys, thank you again. I'll invite you one more time to hit the like button on this video. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next episode.